Good morning to Dr. Javik. I'm Xiaoming and I'm the group leader for this assignment. Today I would like to introduce our login page, register page, home page, and menu page. So at the first beginning, this is our login page. So if I leave the username and password with blank, it will come an error to tell the user username and password cannot be blank. And when the user finishes to type the username and password, it will come an error to tell the user welcome and jump to our home page. So before introduce our homepage, I would like to introduce our register page first. As you can see, this is our register form. So as the login page function, if I leave blank with this box, it will come an error to tell the user some box is blank. So please fill out. And when the user finishes to type the first name and last name, it will come an error to say welcome and jump to our homepage. It will pop up welcome with user first name and click on OK to jump to our homepage. Our homepage features a stunning hero section with a warm welcome message showcasing an inviting image of freshly baked goods, followed by a curated display of featured items and a dedicated section highlighting seasonal bread and pastry offerings. For user convenience, all images can be clicked to jump to our menu page and let users to select their choice. As you can see, this is our menu page. Our menu page are designed for user convenience. By clicking on pastry, users are redirected to the specific category. So if I click on cookies, it will jump to cookies category. To let user convenience, each item also includes a button at the bottom, which when clicked, direct users swiftly to the order now page. That's all my part. Thanks.
Good evening, Dr. Javid. I'm Wong Yushen, and I'll walk you through the part I've done, which is the navigation bar, the footer, and the About Us page and Contact Us page. So first, let's talk about our navigation bar, which is coded to always stick on top of the web page. We use a scroll event to adjust the size and padding dynamically when the user scrolls. This removes quite a bit of JavaScript and also is fully responsive. On smaller screens, the link to other pages here sit inside this hamburger icon here. Next up is the footer, which sits at the bottom of every page. We have a copyright notice here and our contact details and some other social media icons, and also link. And also it is fully responsive. Moving on to the About Us page, this is where you can learn more about our team. It shows photo of our team member along with their roles and contributions. And of course, it is fully responsive. On small screens, the team were stacked vertically. Heading on to the Contact Us page, which have a contact form, and we have ensured it includes proper validation to make sure users fill it out correctly. So for all the fields here are marked as required. For example, if I leave a field empty and click submit, it will highlight the field and ask me to fill out the field. It's also validated. If I enter an invalid email, for example, www.com, and click submit, it will prompt me to correct it. Which same to the phone number. If I input an invalid email, it will prompt me to enter a valid Malaysian phone number. And when the form is submitted successfully, an alert box will pop. And below down here is our location details, which includes a map here, a Google map here. And yeah, that's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, teacher. I'm Maru, and as my teammate already talked about the tab bar, including hamburger feature, I'll just jump right into the page tab creator, which is the audio page, and also introducing the right side of the tab bar. So you can see here are three icons. The first one is search icon, second one user, and third one is card. So for first one, search icon, you can actually search anything you want, such as cake, tea, in shop. And you can click the top right corner you see here to actually just edit this search bar. And for user icon, when you click it, I believe that Sony has actually given a very detailed run through of this. So I will just click on the form and do the next one. And here is the card icon. Like card icon, because I haven't added anything yet, so it will be empty and no price will be calculated. After you try to click checkout, when it's empty, it will mention an alert message mentioning that your card is empty. Click an item before completing the checkout. And for the order page, you can actually just press from the menu. It will redirect you from here, or either you can just click straight from the order page. So the purpose of this order page is actually just for the customer to order stuff. And you can fill in the form with the detail of the customer. There's name, phone number, email, also delivery date, delivery time. And you can choose the categories. There's 4 categories according to the menu, including cake, pastry, breads, or cookie. And when I choose something out of the category, the item will also pop up. Choose an item from the menu, can be card or macaron. Also, you can pick items categories such as bread, and the item here will change eventually. And if you want to give customized such as premium or deluxe, the total here will also change. So it's great on changing. And after you're filling everything with the correct format, you can actually submit the form, and an alert message will pop up saying that form is submitted successfully. Or if you decide to not fill in the form, an alert message will ask you to fill in the form, or you fill the form wrongly, it will also tell you to actually input a valid option, similarly like the contact us page here. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.